drunken pirate, I assure you I'm not. Here we are, look at this beautiful location. The owner knows this corner right here like the back of his hand. Just sideways, doing style on his Ag 175, chopping it up. What a beautiful day on the KTM 1290 GT Super Duke. Little teleport there. Boom. I just love the gravel. Just right there. Right at the driveway. But hot diggity. That's alright. Get past it. Pull the slingshot. So before I get to explain this debacle, let's just have a look at a few VMAXs, because, you know, they're cool. Hot on the debacle of the Bridgestone S22, there has to be some replacement for it, and obviously it doesn't need to be that sporty. So this is the first ride with the brand new Metzler Roadtec 02. And riding quietly along these country roads, bike felt very good, stable, smooth, maybe a little slower than the 22, but hey, still great. Brand new tyres for the win. First impressions after only 150 odd kilometres, gotta say this tyre feels really good. I'm happy. Country roads like this, out in the Waikato, right in the middle there, good stuff. This is where you test a tyre out and see what it's like. You can see here the 22s, they stuck really well, but they did seem to feather up something fierce. So I am hoping to get more mileage as we continue our discussions of looking at motorcycle tyres for various models that we have through the, well, dare I say, fleet. Country roads, that's where we're at, out in the country. Look at this. Isn't that so green? Nice. Oh, I do like old sheds. Yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there. Reminds me of, you know, being in Japan. 7-Eleven. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and avoid us in a head-on the open road. We're not into that sort of shit. So here we go. The talk today was about the Roadtec 02. I think this is a good tyre. We'll soon see how many Ks we get out of it and how well it handles the wet.
Yep. How's it with the new front tyre?
Yeah, that feels great, but I don't have any confidence in the Heineken.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called, the Heidi-Do.
I don't know. Apparently they get amazing mileage.
Yeah.
Amazing mileage.
But wherever there's a layer taken off, and you got that one layer difference, it feels like it's not gripping.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Did you ride it last weekend in the wet?
eh?
Did we have any wet road in the cold Kiwi? Apparently some people reckon they're deadly in the wet.
Oh, good, thanks.
Yeah, so I'll let you know. But you'll tell us.
Yeah.
Mind you, you said the same thing about mine.
And welcome to the jungle. Here we have the happiness of the motorkazi just bringing its owner home and just, doesn't it feel good? Nope, this one's rooted. So we're going to turn around, look at the good one. Still strapped down. That's because it's feisty.